Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and clear your Amazon search history. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser you want and go ahead and search for Amazon. So there are two ways that you can go ahead and clear your history. So let's just say I want to go ahead and search for a handbag, and let's just add one more to it. Let's just say I want to go ahead and search for a laptop. So the two ways that you can simply go ahead and clear your Amazon history is, first of all you have to do is simply just click on the search bar, which is right over here, right? And once you go ahead and click on the search bar, you can simply go ahead and click on the cross on the right side of your search right over here, as you can see. And once you go ahead and click on the cross, it's gonna go ahead and clear it one by one for you. So if you want to go ahead and just remove certain searches that you have, this is the simplest way you can do. All you have to do is just click on this small cross icon on the right side of your screen. So now the second way you can go ahead and clear your Amazon history is by simply clicking on the top right over here, or on the top right over here. As you can see, you can find your browsing history option right over here. So when you click on the browsing history, as you can see, here's your browsing history, and over here there is a item that I have searched for before. There might be a lot more in your case. You can simply click on remove from view right down over here, or you can simply go ahead and click on manage history right over here, and then click on remove all right over here, and then click on remove all items from view one more time. And finally, that's how you go ahead and clear your browsing history. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below if you have any other queries. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.